In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Indonesian bank app login problem. Whether you have any bank account or bank application, and if you're having issues logging into your account, the first thing that you need to do is fix your network firewalls as well as the geo-blocks. So if you're connected to a VPN or to a location where this application is not working or would not work, you simply need to disable it and then try to see if the issue is solved. Also, what you need to do is make sure that you disconnect from any sort of public Wi-Fi networks and switch entirely to your local 4G or 5G data network as well, and try to see if you can log into your account. Apart from this, what you also need to do is make sure that the date and time settings within your device is set to automatic within your phone as well. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can do in this situation is try to clear out the corrupted data and cache. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and cache. Make sure you tap on clear storage as well as clear data. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files and will help to solve the issue if this was the case. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out for you, and if you have entered in the wrong PIN in order to log into your account, this may be causing this issue as well. So in this situation, just wait out 30 to 60 minutes before the issue is automatically resolved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.